Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're gonna be talking about, can you add a float in an integer? Yes, you can, but there are some rules for it. So let's say here, like, look, let's say I say a equals to 0.1. By the way, float just can't not be in double quotes, but it can be without double quotes, right? It's the same thing. Like an integer too, it can be in double quotes or not in double quotes. Then b equals to 1, like this, print a plus b. And if we run the code, error because string can't add with integer. Now look what happens. So it's going to be 1.1 because now they're both without the double quotes. They're integer. This is a float, but this is an integer, but there's no double quotes on any of them. Now this is where the interesting part comes. I put double quotes, it's gonna work. But can you guys guess the answer? Is it gonna be the same? Write it in the comments. Okay, you can pause it. You can pause the video. Okay? See, it's doing 0.11 because it's combining together like Avner and Enver. If you add those, it's Avner Enver. This is called concatenation. This concatenation means you're combining two things into one thing. Like it's like compound words, but we call this concatenation. Like sun and set. Add them together, that's sunset, right? Same thing here, but this is just concatenation. Now here, if I say Avner and forgot to put capital A because that's a noun. And Enver. See, after Enver, that's concatenation. Okay, that's how it works. So thank everyone for listening about my video about concatenation. Feel free if you have any questions, you can write in the comments. I hope you like it and